What's up, guys, and welcome to another cost of living video. This is going to be for the month of November 2018 here in Thailand. And before we get started, I just wanted to remind everyone that you are more than welcome to have your own content made on this channel or sponsor content that is being made on this channel. And if you have any questions about how to do that, you may contact me via Facebook Messenger at any point in time, and I will be more than happy to give you details on how to do that. This is going to be a little interesting video because I have everything written on a piece of paper instead of looking at my cell phone, because I am shooting from my cell phone, which is why I have the mic in front of me and trying to eliminate the noise in the background from the restaurant itself. So let's get started on the cost of living, my cost of living for the month of November 2018 in Thailand. First, we have food. I spend a lot of money on food. I eat out pretty much every day, but I don't eat out expensive. I spend about $400 a month USD on food. That's 13,198 baht. I have my paper written down right here, guys. That's what I'm looking at. My utilities, including my rent and housekeeping, came to a total of $171.78 or 5,668 baht. That's rent, utilities, and housekeeping. Living cheap. Studio apartment, no kitchen, only a refrigerator and a very small bathroom. My Thai cell phone, which gets me unlimited 4G LTE data. It gets me 50 SMS messages a month, and it gets me 100 minutes of talk time locally here in Thailand. That is $53.70 or 1,750 baht. Now, I use that cell phone internet for everything. I don't have internet at home. I use the hotspot for internet on my laptop, and I've not had a problem with it thus far. Hopefully, for the last month, I am paying the last T-Mobile bill in November. I am planning to switch to Google Fi, but I paid $125 for my global plan that I have on T-Mobile, which is 4,125 baht. I have an additional SIM card in the phone from True, and that is a data-only plan. It's 12 gigabytes. It's $21.50 or 699 baht. That's monthly. Last month, I had a gentleman, a subscriber, who was kind enough to allow me to stay in his condo because he wasn't there every weekend for the month of November, excluding the very last day of November. So my hotel bill for last month was only $35. It was a one-night stay. Which was great. That's 1,148 baht, and I'm very appreciative to him. He knows who he is. I thank him very much for helping me out. That was a big cost savings. Next, entertainment. $155. That's 5,000 baht. That includes some boat rides and some things that I haven't done before. $55 on transportation or 1,800 baht. That's minivans basically to get me back and forth to Bangkok and back and forth to Pattaya. $80.86, which is 2,635 baht on subscriptions. Subscriptions are things like my subscription to Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom. The editing software stuff also includes things like vidIQ for YouTube, and a few other little small subscriptions, Netflix, things like that. So my total cost of living for the basics for the month was $1,097.84 or 35,993 baht. That's just to give you an idea of the basics. Now, as you know, my cost of living went up a little bit last month because I had a motorbike accident. That motorbike accident cost me $183 to get repaired, or 6,000 baht. The front end of the motorbike basically had to be replaced, and that was the cost for it. Then I had to get as some of you saw, I was pretty scratched up from the road rash from that. And so various types of antibiotic creams, a few other medications, Band-Aids, etc. All that came to about $70 or 2,300 baht. So now my total cost of living for last month is $1,350.84 or 44,293 baht. Moving on, this is where the AdSense money and other forms of revenue that comes in for the channel come into play. Last month, for camera equipment, I bought a 64 gigabyte UHS-1 memory card, a SanDisk card for my camera. I bought a flash drive for my iPhone, 34 gigabytes. This is what it looks like. I bought a 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive so I could have some more space for my computer memory. And I also bought a backpack, a cheap backpack, and that total came to $335 or 11,000 baht. Trademarking fees and lawyers last month, I spent a total of $760. So this is not including trademark fees and lawyers the months prior to that. This is just last month what I spent. $760 US or 25,000 baht. My total cost of living after everything last month was $2,445.84 or 80,200 baht. So there you go, guys. That's what it cost me to live in Thailand and try to be successful at what I do for the month of November 2018. And I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns that you might have in the comment section below. Feel free to hit me up on Instant Messenger if you need anything else. And I will see you guys in the next video.